Hi, welcome to Dust. You're pretty much ready to start using large language models. And the good thing is that in Dust, you can use all of them at the same time. Let's start with a small example. We'll talk to GPT-4 and CLO3 and just ask them how they're doing. You can see that they're answering at the same time and that usually GPT-4 has shorter answers than CLO3. Using Dust, you can prompt the models directly with the input text or even attach some files that you want them to analyze. But the most important part in Dust is that you can attach data to what they're going to answer. This is done through assistants. I'll talk about that right after. But what you have to know is that the data sources that you will be querying from are managed by your workspace's administrators. So if you want any new data to be added to it, just ask them. Dust allows you to create assistants, which are basically a set of instructions and data sources attached. And assistants are usually built by your team. Okay, let's see a short example of an assistant I built, which helps brands see if their website are following their visual guidelines. Okay, so to call it, I'm just going to call the brand card assistant, which is the one I built, and that has as a data source the visual guidelines of Slack. So I'm going to take a screenshot of the Slack website and just upload it to the conversation. There we go, you can see right here that the Slack website has been attached, and I'm just going to hit send. Here my assistant is currently answering me, will be analyzing the screenshot and answers exactly what's wrong with it. You can see that the Slack logo has been correctly used, but that there are some areas of improvement. Okay, so that's just one example, but I'm sure your team has built a ton of assistants for you. And once you get used to using them, you'll be able to build some. And one last thing, you can use all that directly into Slack if you don't want to open the Dust website. All right, have fun and see you around.